Okay, so I'm going to talk about Chapter 14, Blood. And the question is, describe the origin of blood cells. Red blood cells, most white blood cells, and platelets are produced in the bone marrow, the soft fatty tissue inside bone cavities. Two types of white blood cells, T and B cells, are also produced in the lymph nodes and spleen, and T cells are produced and mature in the thymus gland. I thought this was very interesting because it's something that I wasn't aware of. So I learned something in the midst of answering this question. Blood cells and its types with functions. I wanted to include this picture because I thought it was very interesting that it had the specific names of the stuff and how they look. So I thought this was very informative. Formation of blood cells. The rate of blood cells production is controlled by the body's needs. Normal blood cells last for a limited time, ranging from a few hours to a few days for white blood cells, to about 10 days for platelets, to about 120 days for red blood cells, and must be replaced constantly. And this is also something that is describing the origin of blood cells. And something I wasn't aware of. For example, I didn't know that the bone marrow produces and releases more white blood cells in response to infections. It produces and releases more platelets in response to bleeding. And this is the example. I thought it was very interesting because it shows the blood stem cell, the myeloid stem cell, the lymphoid stem cell, the lymphoblast, the white blood cells, the red blood cells, the platelets, and the myeloblast. And my reference where I got all my information from. Have a nice day.